and good evening. This is Jonathan Cabrera discussing my Unit 3 programming challenges 1 and 6. So for the first exercise, we were supposed to do the scrollable text calculator. I'm going to go and slowly roll through the code just to let you see everything that's been created. Pretty much creating a window and then putting the basic text inputs as well as creating the slider that will be associated with the tax total. Furthermore, there's how I calculate the tax and the equation associated. Now that you've slowly seen the code, I'm going to go back to the top and I'm going to run the project. After running the project, you should have a window that pops up right there. I'm going to start with $10,000. So now since the scroll bar is on 0, that creates 0 tax, but say if I associate it down to 5, I should see it go up to 500, just as it does. So it shows that the math equation is working correctly. If I scroll the bar all the way to 10%, it should go all the way to 1,000, which it does. Now if I modify this and I change it down to 1,000, it doesn't automatically calculate sales tax, but as soon as I scroll over to the various tax percentages, it should adjust the sales tax. So here again, $1,000, took it to 5%, which would give me a sales tax of 50 total. And if I again increase it back to 10, it should be 100. Sure enough. Now that we've gone over the scrollable tax calculator and the programming challenge exercise 1, I'm going to go and start the programming challenge exercise 6. So here's the code associated. Here's the creation of the windows associated with it, the verbiage that's also associated with the selection boxes. As we scroll down, see a little more of the same as I just stated. Then you'll see the selection inputs, which then show the package amounts and the phone selection. And then furthermore, the ability to choose voicemail or text message. So now that we slowly scrolled through the text or the code, I'm going to scroll back up. I'm going to run the project. Just like the last one, should get a pop-up window. There it is. I'm going to increase it now. So nothing is showing the total as of right now, but that's just because nothing has been selected yet. As soon as I select one in the box, we should see it increase. There you go. $45 per month for 300 minutes per month. Sure enough, it shows down here. And the total, say if I change it to the middle one, 800, see the increase to 65. As soon as I make a selection inside the cell phone box, you'll also see the increase in that one. So $49.95. $5 for voicemail. If I pick that, it's 122. If I pick the text messages, it goes up to 127.95. And as I go and click the various amounts, you'll see the various increases inside the total. Thank you for taking the time to view the video over both my programming exercises 1 and 6 for Unit 3.